If you have a newer style Toyota RAV4 like that one and you want to learn how to use your manual key to unlock it, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another Ross Perry Productions video, and welcome back to another video on the newer style Toyota RAV4. So this video should be relevant for all models from 2019. However, this is a 2024 model with the hybrid setup. And I've made videos on how to manually open the trunk or the boot lid. I've also made manual videos on how to open the fuel filler cap, and I've had a few comments for people asking how to manually open the doors, which is really simple, and you do still use your key fob to do that, and that's because it has a hidden manual key inside. So if you look just on this side here where the key ring is, there's actually a little switch. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull that switch to the side like that, and I'm just going to have to slide that off so you can see it, and then there you go, there is actually a manual key hidden inside it. So really simple. There's one position you can put this in, and that's just on the driver's door. And if you look at the driver's door handle, it's just slightly different to all of the others where they're concealed, but this one actually has an exposed manual key slot. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pop that in, making sure you get it the right way round. So there you go, goes like that way, and then you can actually just turn that like so. Now just be aware that will not disarm your alarm and immobilizer. It will just allow you to get inside the car, and then once you're finished with it, we're just going to slide that straight back in to the key like that. So there you go, really simple video for you today. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.